update this motherboard. First, look for your motherboard's revision number printed on the box or board. Go to the Gigabyte's official support page for your exact revision. On the support page, find the latest BIOS version of your revision and download the file onto your computer. Then prepare a USB drive. Format a USB drive as FAT32. Extract the downloaded BIOS file and copy it to the root directory of the USB driver. Restart your PC and then press the delete key repeatedly during startup to enter the BIOS setup. Then launch the QFlash utility. In the BIOS, look for the QFlash option, usually at the bottom or underneath the Tools tab. Select the Update BIOS from Drive and then choose your BIOS file on the USB stick. Then start the update. Confirm and start your update process. Do not turn off your PC or remove power during the update. Restart and verify. After completion, your system will reboot. Enter the BIOS again and verify the new version is installed. Subscribe.